Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this DIY tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this decorative candle. I made it for Diwali. I know that that's coming up this Wednesday, and I haven't ever made anything for that holiday, but I decided to do a candle series, and I've always wanted to make something to celebrate that holiday, so this is what I made. I made a couple of mistakes on it, but I still decided to show this video because sometimes that happens, and I like for people that are watching to learn from the mistakes that I made. So if this is an idea that you think is cute, or if you want to do a variation on it, stay tuned and I'll show you what I used to get this look. For this project, I used a candle, and then I used some espresso paint, some ribbon, and this diamond wrap that I got from Michael's. I also used fabric tack and masking tape. I'm going to tape off the part of the candle that I want to add the actual design to. So I'm going to add the masking tape and show you what that looks like. This is what the candle looks like now that it's been taped. I'm going to take it outside and spray paint it, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. This is what the candle looks like now that it has been spray painted. This is what the candle looks like now that the masking tape has been removed. My last step is to start decorating. This is what the top of the candle looks like now that I've added the red diamond wrap. I'm going to add some gold ribbon and show you what it looks like. This is the top of the candle now that I've added the gold ribbon. I'm going to keep going and show you the final result. This is the final result. I like how it turned out. I don't love it, but this is my first attempt. So I'm happy with the progress, and I'm going to keep making candles and decorating them until I get better. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. As always, I hope you have a really great week, and I will see you next time.